you don't need to pay $45 for a scrunchie because that's ridiculous. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2020. I wanted to share with you guys my 2019 favorites. I love watching these kinds of videos because I just feel like it's a great compilation of what somebody that you trust used over the course of an entire year, and I hope some of you trust my opinion. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to hit that button and let's get into it. So a favorite from 2019 overall, I think I mentioned them in pretty much every single video that I make, but Drunk Elephant was my staple skincare brand from this year, specifically their moisturizers, their Lala Retro and their Protini. They are so hydrating, great. The Protini is great for daytime, Lala Retro is great for nighttime. They're just the best moisturizers that I have ever used. And in addition, I love their B-Hydra moisturizing gel. I kind of use it as a hydrating serum in the mornings before I put on my moisturizer. You guys have heard me talk about it enough. I don't need to ramble on and on about how much I love Drunk Elephant, but I just wanted to share them with you just one more time. Another skincare product that I wanted to share with you guys is the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Serum. This serum has some sort of magic in it. You can use it one night and wake up the next and you have completely smooth skin. It takes care of all the texture that you have. It's gone forever. I try not to use it too often. At max, I use it once a week because I don't want my skin to get too used to it and have it not work anymore. But in case you haven't heard of that serum already, it's magic. I do have another serum that I want to share with you guys, which is the Murad Revitalixer serum. This one is great for de-stressing your skin. I feel like it just did a really good job of making my skin look glowy and healthy. I also wanted to mention the Kiss lashes in Poise. These are great everyday lashes. They're very fluffy. They definitely give your lashes a boost without being as overwhelming and dramatic as these ones. They're great for every day. Another skincare product is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I don't remember if I discovered that at the beginning of this year or last year, but the Laneige Lip Mask is crazy hydrating. It is shocking to me every time I use it how luxurious it feels. I feel like it makes the lines of my lips a little bit less noticeable. And it is just so hydrating, especially for someone who has dry skin. My lips get dry as well. I feel like it just does wonders for my lips. I have used a lot of brow products in the past, but this year I discovered the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I don't think I'll ever buy another brow pencil again. This brow pencil is so nice. It lasts a long time. It doesn't run out as quickly as, say, like the Anastasia brow pencil. It lasts a long time. It goes on your brow so smoothly. It looks really natural. I love it on days that I don't wear a lot of makeup, so I can just give my brows a little bit of oomph and it makes me look just a little bit more put together. I don't think I'll ever go back to a different brow pencil. The Benefit one is just killer. Lip product that I completely used up in the year of 2019, which is saying something, is the Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Bun Bun. It was limited edition. It came out with a makeup artist's like collaboration with Urban Decay. Can't remember her name, but the lip shade was Bun Bun. It was gifted to me by my educator at Sephora because I couldn't get my hands on it. I loved that thing and I used it completely up, which is saying something. Like, do you know anybody who's used up a complete lipstick? I don't know anybody who's used a complete lipstick except for myself. And it just went with every single makeup look, and I am sad that I can't get it. If you have a Bun Bun, I will buy it from you. Another lipstick that I've almost completely used up is the Marc Jacobs Slow Burn lipstick. Again, it's kind of a mauve-y neutral lipstick. I still consider it kind of like a nude, but more of like a purpley pinky nude. And again, it looks good with every single makeup look. And I'm getting down to like the dregs of it. I'm using it up here pretty soon. I just keep it in my bag for an everyday lip color, and I used it to death in 2019 after I finished up my Bun Bun. Another product that I started and completely used up in 2019 is the Benefit Gold Rush Blush. Super neutral, great for every day. Can you sense a theme in my 2019 favorites? It worked with every single face/eye makeup that I went for, and I completely used it up. It was like a little bit shimmery, so it made you look a little bit glowy. It was completely beautiful. And I haven't purchased it because I have so many blushes. It would be completely ridiculous for me to repurchase it. but if I, you know, use up all my blushes sometime soon, that will definitely be one that I want to repurchase. Another makeup product that I wanted to share with you guys is the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Tawny. This was one that I got in gratis at Sephora, and I have now hit pan on it, which I feel like bronzers are one of those makeup products where you need so little of it that it takes years upon years to use up a bronzer, and I feel like that kind of shows how much I used it and how much I loved it, because I actually did hit pan on it. Still using it. You guys see it in a lot of my makeup videos. I use it a ton. It works really well for contouring. I also really love to use it to smoke out my lower lash line. I just feel like it's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's just a very nice neutral bronzer that works really well for my skin tone, whether I'm at my winter pasty or very tan in the summer. They have several shades, so I think that everybody can find a shade that works really well for them, and it blends really well too, so it's not like a really chalky bronzer that just leaves patchiness on your cheeks. Works really well. That is all of the beauty favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. Now I wanted to get into some lifestyle slash a couple of hair favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. One hair product that I wanted to talk to you guys about is the Living Proof Defrizzing Spray. It's kind of like a hairspray, and it comes out in an aerosol form, but it's like a dry conditioner is how I describe it. And if you have curled your hair or you've straightened your hair and it looks a little bit frizzy, you just spray it a little bit and then you just kind of run your fingers through it and the frizz is gone. It's magic. And you don't need very much of it. You kind of just go and then you just run it through and you're good to go. I have had the same bottle for pretty much the entire year, and I have yet to use it up. I don't use it a ton, just when I need it, but it's a lifesaver for your hair. It can turn a really bad hair day into a really good hair day. I also wanted to talk about silky scrunchies. Not the silk, like the Slip brand from Sephora, because you don't need to do that. Just go on Amazon and search silk scrunchies or satin scrunchies, because those work just as well too. You don't need to pay $45 for a scrunchie, because that's ridiculous. You can just get them on Amazon for like 10 bucks for a pack of 10, and they just really help your hair to not get damaged overnight. I always shower at night and wash my hair at night, so I will put my hair in a ponytail on top of my head with my curling product in it, and I just go to bed, and then I wake up and my hair is curly, not damaged, not kinked. So I really love the silky scrunchies. The next one I have right here, and it is my Hydro Flask. I just got a new one actually. I got the frosty blue one because I was obsessed with that color. The 32-ounce Hydro Flask is the best thing that has ever happened to me in my entire life. The 32-ounce Hydro Flask is the best thing that has ever happened to me. I drink so many of these per day. It's kind of crazy how much I drink, but I love that I can take it on the go. It doesn't spill. I can put it on my nightstand. My cat doesn't drink from it. It's such a simple thing, but it works so well. I had another Hydro Flask before this one, but it was the 20-ounce, and upgrading to the 32 changed the game for me, because I would seriously fill up my 20-ounce one like 15 times a day. Upping to the 32-ounce was a big deal, and it helped me out a ton. Next lifestyle favorite that I wanted to share with you guys is the Rifle Paper Company paper planner. I'm somebody who likes a paper planner. I don't do like bullet journaling. I did do that. I tried bullet journaling thing, and I like it for mood trackers and stuff. But as far as an actual planner goes, I just go for simple paper planners. I like color coding and writing everything out. I will be doing a video on how I set up my planner for a new semester. I am no longer in my normal college classes. I'm student teaching next week starting, but I still wanted to share with you guys how I set up my planner for a college semester. I think that would be really helpful. I've used the Rifle Paper Company planners my entire time being in college. They are just perfect for me. They have the monthly setup and the weekly setup. And again, I'm gonna share more about this planner with you guys when I do that planner video, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. But this is the best paper planner that I've ever tried. And finally, the last lifestyle favorite that I wanted to share with you guys is the Amazon hoops that I'm wearing. Like I said, I got them from Amazon. They're just thick, small hoops. I'll get close so you can see. They're just perfect for every day. They go with every single outfit. I have worn these to death. So good. They were like $10, so I would highly recommend them. And those were a very big staple for me in 2019. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned about some new products that you hadn't heard of before. I hope you got some ideas of things you wanted to try. I think 2020 is going to be a really good one. I love fresh starts, and I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.